To install Google Chrome on Ubuntu, you'll need the gdebi package manager. First, open a terminal and update the package list. Then, install gdebi using the apt install command. Next, open Firefox and navigate to google.com/chrome and download the .deb installer. After the download is complete, return to the terminal and install the .deb package using the gdebi command. That's it. You've successfully installed Google Chrome on Ubuntu 24. After some time, you might see a red notification in Chrome's top right corner indicating an update. What you need to do is follow the same steps as before. Download the latest gdeb installer and install it using the gdebi command. This will upgrade Chrome without deleting your browser data.